Come test drive the 2017 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bose sound system, traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.